Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to review how to download and install Accumulate Wallet. First, let me go through the steps. You open your desktop and open Google Chrome browser, right? Make sure that you use Google Chrome because we're going to install a Chrome extension. So step two, you go to www.operatecrypto.com, then download the wallet, then install the wallet by adding it to Chrome, and later on, you are done by creating an account. Then for mobile phone users, for Android, you might want to use Kiwi browser, Yandex browser. For iPhone and iPad, there are no real way to install this. I have provided some information here. You can look at it. Uh, Semi-safe, but Chrome extension on Chrome browser is the best way to go. Now let's quickly see how exactly it is done through a live demo. Now let's see a live demo of how to install the wallet on your Chrome browser. So you open your Chrome browser, type operatecrypto.com. It will take you to this homepage of Operate Crypto. Go down, click on Install on Chrome button. That will take you to Chrome Web Store. Once you are at Chrome Web Store, click on Add to Chrome. That's going to ask you a question. Do you want to add an extension? And once you say yes, the download process will start. This is likely to take around 2 to 3 minutes, but make sure that you go to the right place. There could be scammers hosting this wallet somewhere else. Don't fall prey for it. You should download this wallet only from Accumulate Foundation website or Operate Crypto website. Now, after a while, you will see the icons here, and let's wait for that. Now, the wallet is installed, and the way it works is you want to pin this icon here. By clicking on this, you will see the list of extensions installed. You can just pin them so it will come here. And when you see this, first thing you want to do is before operating, click on Open Full Screen. So this will open the wallet in a full screen. This is a very elaborate application space and operating system. So you always want to operate on a full screen to take advantage of vast use cases that are supported by this wallet. So just take a habit of opening it up in the full screen and start operating it. Congratulations, you have installed the wallet on your Chrome browser. The next step is to set up a password, and whatever password you want to put, you can put it here. Remember, this password is really different from the password that you try on your Google, Gmail, or Apple account. This is a password that's in the whole world. Only you know this, and there is no way you can recover your password. Many wallet operations like MetaMask, they have a retrieve password option. They are really a fake uh, password generation. It doesn't actually exist. So there is no way you can recover your password in Web3. Anyway, and there are multiple options available in a highly advanced softwares, which we will demonstrate later. But for the time being, your password has to be solid and make sure that the password is not shared. Anyway, I am putting a simple password here for the sake of testing. The first account that you want, you can put any name you want, but I'm going to give the name called first account as a name. Then go next. There is terms and condition. Go through that, read about it, and say next. Then this is the important part, mnemonics. Please write down your mnemonics. Many people they own Bitcoin, but they can't recover it because they forgot the mnemonics. These 12 words, this is your secret. Write it down, put it in a locker, bury it somewhere. Does not matter. Never leave this. Once you leave this, lose this, you will never be able to recover your assets. So going back next, we just want to make sure you retype all your words here. We are tight about it because if you lose it, you regret a lot. So retype all the words, make sure that the words are correct. Click on next. It will take you to the next screen. Congratulations, you are done. Your first account is done. When you close this, this is your Lite account. And your Lite account is empty now because you don't have any money. In the next chapter, we are talking about Lite account and funding the Lite account and exploring this wallet operating system.